Whoops. Just a little bit too much. And that's okay, I guess. Dirty brush. I have to clean it first, right? Or is it supposed to be the other way around? I don't know. They call this Frenching from the old timers. The old timers I learned this shit from. Just pigment powders, you know. It's just standard, you know, stuff. Just takes a second to dissolve. Let's try some Prussian blue. This is old stuff. Prussian blue. Got this from an old timer. How long has it been since you've seen a can from Mohawk that looked like these? Ain't my first rodeo. If you have seen them, it's not because you ordered them, it's because you saw them in the cabinet. There we go. That's a nice deep sage green. That's what I wanted. The other one was too pale. You just gotta add some blue. Oh yeah. I forgot I stopped recording. I also saw an old timer doing this trick, and I wouldn't recommend doing it at all. I don't do it often. That's why I'm doing it this time. Don't do this with your bare hands. It's very unhealthy. After this video, I'm gonna go wash my hands very well. This is how an old timer used to do touch-ups. It's a good trick. It actually works really well. You know, it's like too easy. You feel me? Like way too easy. This video is going to take too long to upload, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it finish up a lot more than unpause it. Because it's just what I'm going to do. But this is some end grain right here, so I'm going a little bit heavier on these corners. So you can see it bubbling. I'm uploading this video in like 720p just because. But you should be able to see that it just sucks it right up. And that's good. Kind of want it to not expand and contract with moisture. That's what I'm doing here. I'm staining it. I'm also sealing it. You know, like just protecting it, laminating it. Some people haven't hit that stage yet where they understand what goes into woodworking and the different stages of the process. Yeah. Okay, I was gonna do it, but then like off camera, but then I saw it looks really cool right here. I wanted to share a little bit of that. Yeah, it looks very pretty. Anyways. Lacquer dries really fast. I like lacquer. Let's see. 3 iron. Pre-catalyzed lacquer. Well, I think that's smarter. Yeah, definitely smarter. Hey, definitely smarter. Shout out to that dude Justin or Dustin from Smarter Every Day, right? That's his name. Good channel, dude. This is how I learned to do it from people who grew up before OSHA. Don't do what I'm doing now. This is just demo. I never do it like this. And I probably won't do it again. Anyways, pre-catalyzed lacquer, dead flat. Great for repairs, by the way. And give me a second. Yeah, so it's not really that customized this time. Personalized a bit, stained it. But if you paid attention, and yeah, if you just paid attention, you're kind of smart, you will realize that in a few of these videos, I taught you some cool tricks. Like that you can source your own pigment powders and use lacquer to create your own paint stain and adjust them accordingly. The lacquer dries pretty fast, so once you stain something, you can start sanding right away. This is a dead flat lacquer spray that I was using. That pre-catalyzed lacquer, so it looks glossy. I think, does that look nice for gloss? Does it look good like a flat? It's still drying, so that'll be like dead flat. I like that. Or gloss. It might be one of those situations where it looks good both. Because I do have some vinyl sealer I could use. Ah, look at that. Another trick. Delicioso. Not bad. Thanks for watching. I know this is very long and very, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it. Back to work tomorrow. I'm not used to that. It's different. I usually make my own damn schedule.